Certain types of plant are known to be invasive and can cause harm to the environment if they are accidentally or deliberately allowed to spread. If you can recognise the plant and know what actions to take, this will help prevent future problems. This talk covers types of invasive plant and how you can help to control them. Examples of invasive plant. Giant hogweed. Giant hogweed spreads and, by eroding the soil, can endanger the survival of native plants and be a danger to grazing animals. It contains large amounts of poisonous sap that, if exposed to sunlight, can harm humans when it comes into contact with the skin. Eye contact can cause temporary blindness. Himalayan balsam thrives on casting off hundreds of seed pods in the autumn. When the seed pod bursts, seeds can spread over 7 meters. It dominates habitats and shades native plants from sunlight. Japanese knotweed grows rapidly, about 20 millimeters per day, and the root system is likely to extend by many meters and up to a depth of 2 meters. It can grow through foundations, walls, roads, and drainage pipework. Control measures. Check the area before starting work and look for signs of any invasive plants. If you find invasive plants within your work area, stop, move away, and report it to your supervisor. Seek medical advice from your first aider if you come into contact with the sap of giant hogweed. Follow site guidance when working near to invasive plants to prevent them from spreading or harming the environment or wildlife. Precautions. Do not enter areas identified as containing invasive plants. Do not excavate materials that may contain seeds or material from invasive plants without the appropriate control measures in place. Do not stockpile material, especially within 10 meters of a watercourse. Do not drive vehicles through invasive plants, as this can cause them to spread. Do not double handle materials suspected of containing invasive plants, but if it's unavoidable, do so on an impermeable surface. Wear suitable protective clothing and use appropriate equipment if you need to come into contact with giant hogweed. Why are invasive plants a problem in the UK? How should giant hogweed be handled? What personal protective equipment, PPE, is required? Why is it important not to double handle invasive plants? What should you do if you get giant hogweed sap on your skin or in your eye?